Whoa.
So this is what we're gonna do. We got the Zan projectile, which is 15 grain, and we got the H&N Hornet, which is 16.20 grain. First, we're gonna do the Hornet, and then we're gonna do the Zan slug. All right. And this is about a 10-yard shot into our shower gel. I think that's shower gel. Oops, safety off. All right, next shot is gonna be the H&N Hornet. Let me go and fix that though. This time we're going Seneca 100 round, 28 grain. Let's see if we can get a heavier pellet to go through more of those gels. Give me a second, because I can't get it open. Up safety, let's shred some styling gel.
Whoa.
Let's see. Let's check it out. One. We went through one for sure. I don't know what happened there. We went through this one and out. Went through two. I think. Did I go through that one? Okay.
Wow.
We got a penetration here as well. So that's one. We went through three. Let's see which one is inside of. Or is it?
Right there.
Okay. We got a Seneca in the back of the third one. It went in here. It did not. All right, so this is our aftermath. We got gel everywhere. Let's see. We got one for sure took a beating, a lot of beating. Number two took a lot of beating. And we have something mushroomed in the bottom of number two. Okay. Here, no, nothing. It's just almost empty. Did we penetrate number three at all? I don't think we penetrated. Oh, whoa. What's going on here? Okay, gone through and through. Somebody went through and through. Number four. If it went through and through, where the hell is the rest of them? Because I don't think nothing penetrated number four or number five. Okay, so somewhere in here. Okay, there we go. Whoa, we found somebody. We found something to stop the Zan. We found something to deform the Zan. Look at that. That is a Zan projectile. For the first time, has got deformed using three styling gels. No, three styling gels. It went through three, and I don't know if it hit this brick trying to come out. I really don't know, but we have a Hornet inside of there. I gotta find the other one because you can see the gold tip and everything. That's pretty cool. Gold tip is still intact. Not come out. We gotta land it there.
And then up there.
And I missed this earlier, but this is a pellet. This is, if y'all can see that, This one is cool. So let's get those out the way. Those are done for.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh!